One. Good morning. Good afternoon. We are Group 5 presenting Showtime Political Self-Edition. Ta-da!
Improvise.
Okay. Sige. Tayo magsimula na. So, bago tayo magsimula, may tanong ko sa inyo, Madam Ibon. Ano yun? Mr. Cordelia? Maring tumayo? Mr. Cordelia, tanong ko po sa iyo. Nasa sunod lang to eh. Anong pagkakalam mo sa politika sa?
Politics meaning power. So, political self, siguro, kung paano tayo perceive it, kung paano kita society. Since politics or political is the control on a specific group. Mas may na lead ka
May tama ka! Specific words, so may tama ka! So, ano nga ba ang political self? Explain me, living, freedom, joy. Go, Joy! Nice job!
Be quiet and listen to the reporters.
So, self-explanatory, quiet, o maingay, at malisin sa amin. O makinig sa amin. Pangalawa ay participate
And answer questions the reporter give and don't speak in chorus.
Chorus meaning lahat or sabay-sabay. So, if ever may question you are concerned, just raise your both hands. Both hands up. Ano yung ano mo? Okay. Sige. Next. If the reporter say, this is your show, this is your time. Everyone will shout,
It's showtime!
Try na. This is your show, this is your time.
It's Bulaga!
Lastly, enjoy the show. One. Okay.
Yay!
So, first, explaining Christian Joy, political self.
What's up, Madam Eva?
Please stand up.
So, in my opinion, political stuff, just like what you just said.
Wait. Please your what?
Again, so, in my opinion, political stuff for me is it relates to the society, in which how does the movement or particular individual is related to the government, and that's how you see yourself like the standards and behavior in which are you showed in the society.
So according to Harold Glaswell, politics is who gets what, when, and how. So ito ay tinutukoy kung sino ang may kapangyarihan mag-desisyon, paano gumawa ang mga desisyon nito, at kung paano maapektuhan ang buhay ng mga tao. So politics is a process of decision making that affects the people in a country. Okay, so next is political self. So, ang political self ay bahagi ng ating pagkatao na humuhubog sa kung paano tayo mag-isip, magkaramdam at kumilos pagdating sa politika. Kasama nito ang paniniwala natin tungkol sa gobyerno, politisya, katarungan at responsibilidad bilang mga kamayan. So, political self is our political side. So, ang pwede kung paano kita mag-engage in ang political system. Yes.
Hello. So, what do you think you are? Can you reiterate what Mr. Daniel said about political self, or the definition of political self? It is how we interpret about politics and the government. Ayan! May one pending statements and mga recite. So, Mr. Corbelia, Mr. Dan, and then Mr. Barney. Okay? Next slide.
Okay, so political self is developed through influence at paligid. So like our family, our friends, media, culture. So this defines a person's sense of belonging in a political community and encourages them to be more active and responsible citizens. So next, gumagawa tayo sa political identity.
Ayan!
Political identity. So, ang political identity ay tumutukoy sa pagbuka ng ating sariling political beliefs, values, and affiliations. So, political self ang patong role political system. Okay? Political identity reward is ang ating beliefs kung ano ka pinapanigan ba kung ano pinadalaman. So, ang ating different opinions when it comes to politics, decisions, and mga kandidato sa dahil. Okay, so, we have same as political self is nabubuhay natin political identity through an influence niya pa natin paligid. So, nag-start in your childhood with our family. So, diba, politics is diretso man dito dito at nagagawa na somewhere politics. So, as matapakita na nababatihan natin siya ng parents, mga relatives, mga older na, about their views and opinions when it comes to politics. So, ano na nila, nabibuild na natin political identity, tapos kung na-influence ba kita kung ano, maupay, ano natin gusto kung ano, pamamahala sa mga country. So, ano yung political identity? So, next.
This is your show, your time.
What's up, people?
Okay.
So now, I will discuss theories of political socialization. So we have psychocultural theory, social learning or social psychological theory, structural functional theory, and lastly, generational and life cycle theories. So the first is the psychocultural theory. The psychocultural theory emphasizes the role of cultural context and family in shaping political attitudes. It differentiates between latent socialization and manifest socialization. So, ano nga ba ang psychocultural theory? So, this theory highlights the strong influence of culture and family in shaping political attitudes. So we have two forms of socializations. We have latent socializations and manifest socialization. So when we say latent socialization, which happens unconsciously as individuals absorb cultural values and political meanings from their surroundings. For example, ay guys, no, ating hangin. For example, may isang mga bata na nakakakita ng flag during ceremony. Tapos, syempre, itong mga bata, we don't know in politics. Na-absorb nila ang idea, kung hindi ang tinikitan naman yung mga tao, na syempre, kapag di ba, kapag nag-vlog ka na, okay, vlog, hindi na kung yung bata ka rin, pampan sa mawin. So, gina-absorb nila bata yung idea na itong mga flag is important and it should be respected. So, yes? So, sa manifest socialization, it is explicit teaching of political norms, such as learning about authority, rules, or political symbols. For example, parents, ginayang na nila yung mga anak na kailangan bumuha mo kapag bumuha mo kapag mag-ibig ka. So this is explicit instruction because it has a civic duty. So we have social learning theory. So social learning theory derived from Balmer's general framework explains that individuals learn political behaviors through observation and imitation of significant others, such as parents or peers, reinforce the rewards from political efficacy and engagement, therefore develop role model behaviors within social environments. Social learning or social psychological theory uses and people that learn political behaviors by observing and imitating important figures in their lives, such as his parents, friends, and teachers. So, when those political behaviors receive for approval or rewards, individuals are more likely to repeat them. So, for this process, people develop political interest na confident in participating in politics. So we have structural functional theory. So the structural functional approach or theory views political socialization as a process through which social and political institutions reproduce political culture and maintain system stability. Schools, religious institutions, and the media functions as agents transmitting dominant values and legitimizing political authority. So structural functional theory. So people learn about politics not only from their parents, friends, but mostly from the institution around them. And even the structural theory, ang nag-teach din ako ng mga tao, political views, to keep the political system stable. For example, family teaching children to follow rules and respect authority. So lastly, we have generational and life cycle failures. The impressionable years hypothesis proposes that political orientations formed during adolescence and early adulthood tend to persist throughout life. The life cycle model complements this view by suggesting that attitudes evolve as individuals age and experience new roles such as work, and family life. So the impressionable years hypothesis states that political attitudes formed during adolescence and early adulthood tend to remain personal lives. So meanwhile, the life cycle theory na-argue po na iniiya that political views change as people grow older and experience new roles, such as entering workforce, starting a family, or facing responsibilities. Although these theories provide valuable insights, some argue that they overemphasize early influences and underestimate how adults can still change their political beliefs in life. So, moreover, with the rise of digital media and online environments, traditional agents of political socialization, like families, school, and community institutions, are being transformed.
Before we move on to the activity, so we will be having an activity. Before that, magbigabalik ka. Para makita naman na nakaintindi ka mo, tapos din-resign ka ng decision ng report ulit. Makinig ka sa paalang sadlang report. Sir! Sir! Can you please stand up? Or, what's your name? Your gender?
My name is Kurt Steven Beluga. I am from Finland. I'm male.
Male?
Yeah.
Age?
16.
Social security number? So ang topic niya na was the theories. Could you give me one theory? So, karaman ang theory na in-explain ngayon ito, madam?
There are 4 theories.
Okay, 4. So, may tama doon. So, could you give me one theory and explain the theory?
I think the first theory which is the psychosocial theory by the first theory. There are 2 types of socialization in that theory, which is the latent and then latent and honest. Yeah, yes, that's true. And in the latent, it says that you adapt to the practice of society based on what you see to them. For example, as like what you said, when you hear the Lubang Hirang anthem playing at the school, for example, when automatically you put your right hand into your chest, sigari ko, when automatically hindi yung nagkakalim, pero automatically kay ako practice na naging common na society. And then, naman yung socialization naman, ini mga gitutulog ng mga kabataan na sunod na society. For example, again, kumbaga, sa-share ko na hinalakan niya na kung mag-18 ka na, is-work ka na business. Kung mag-basic o i-rated loss niya, hindi ko minus.
Correct.
Jessica, thank you for that wonderful answer. So,
So, ayan, alright. Ako naman ay mamili. So, ate, marami tayo na mahusay na interview. So, namatay ka pa rin. Pwede ko man na explain for ibila ka na rin yung nabaroan.
So, boy and flexible theory. It says that attitudes evolve as individuals engage in experiences, rules, and work. Okay, so every time na nagtili ka we experience some new things in our life, and also every time na mababagay natin buwan, we also change our attitudes, how we kumain, how we use. So, ikukuha kami na mga kita na mamaya nagiging laro, matrabaho kita, na also kita na mga pamilya kita. So, ang pag-identity.
Anyone go? Sige, ganyan kita lang, meron ka naman tawag kita. Ate, pwede kang matanong. So, can you please stand up, ate? So, what's your name?
Single.
Okay.
So, same questions lang yan. Pick one period and explain as give examples lang.
Yung mga institutions sa community, makakapili kaya ito para makakapansin para natin mo political content. Sana naging mo natin yung political
Okay. Thank you for very good answer. Okay, are you ready for the activity? So, this is your show, your time. Okay, for our first activity, tinatawag ito face to face.
So our mechanics is, okay. First is nagdadala natin ng groups. So, hindi nga
Sige na lang.
How about you guys?
Maliwan. Lima, sugod daw ka tuloy.
Yeah.
Wala na group 1.
This is your show. This is your time.
Yay!
Marcus, come over.
Wala.
Tiger stars.
Ano pangyayari? So, structural and functional theory. Done. Helping. Assuming. Yeah.
Boot yan. Boot.
Miranda is a what's up, little people?
What's up, little people?
So, let's get the structural functional control or
So, structural and functional theory is a movement in society in which every institution has its function, in which its goal is to promote education, student, goal, and learn, and religion, government. So, generally, from my understanding, they are work in society in which they have to be balanced and needed in a whole action, and then which that is a part of the Yay!
Alright, okay.
Who do you think has the best answer?
So, who's with Kuya A? How about who's with Kuya Words of political engagement and self-expression.
Really, Robert? I don't know.
Break your leg.
Engagement and self-expression. And ang political engagement ay kung paano ka nakikipag-engage or the root word engage or paano ka nakikipag sa iyong political or political stand. Sige, next slide. So, political engagement refers to how a person from a certain community participates in political issues. So, it includes voting, activism, and discussions about political issues. So, this engagement is influenced by various factors such as media exposure, personal beliefs, and your family. So, when one variable na pinili mo personal political belief
Next slide, please. So, how many examples of political engagement? Una, voting. We all know that voting is very common. Bisa na school, nag-vote kita. For example, paano ka naging president ni Kuya ng kahapon?
Gilmore.
Nag-vote kita. So, voting is very important sa mga people are mga governors or government. That's how they remain in power. So that's how they will be able to stay in their position. So without the people's votes, they would have no power. So when we do it, if ever an atom class, wala ka. If ever an atom class, may nag-vote na iya, then you're magiging president. So, kailangan talaga the trust of the people. Although, as we know, the voting system very good spot. So, you would use money to buy votes. So in terms of pero although we can prove na they got the votes ay marakawan ng mga tao. Yeah. So the next one, activism. So the first was series of actions designed to draw public attention to pressing social issues in order to generate social change. So in activism one, this is done more on like physical, for example, an area rally. So that's an example of activism. So in mga nag-activism is the people that don't share or agree on the government's like mga rules, mga law. So they protest na para ma-stop and rule or unlaw para ma-publish or ma-make law. So, as we all know, or as you guys know, of course, na-partake of activism or bisan simply although public attention social media will also be one as an example of activism, like sharing your thoughts regarding political matters could also be activism. Next slide. The last one is civic involvement. Self-expression for me. So, civic engagement means taking voluntary action to improve the community and influence decisions that shape society. So, although civic involvement and activism might seem similar, they are different. So, it differs from the fact that in civic involvement, like they're going for the mass or like we about one, for example, helping others. So that's involvement, basically involving yourself to other parties. So self-expression. Now we all do self-expression. So basically, self-expression means expressing your political beliefs. So it could be social media, or from your friends, or families. So basically, sharing your knowledge in their political knowledge to others. So might be social media, your friends, your family,
That's how you express your political beliefs. Ayan! Naintindihan ba natin?
Yes!
Hirap. May katanungan ba tayo? Ay, Miss Paula, since wala ka katanungan, ako ay magtatanong sa'yo. Ito, Miss Paula, could you give me or could you explain or how would you express yourself politically?
How would I express myself politically? Thank you. For me,
For you.
how would I
Paano mo ina-express yung political opinions?
mas gusto ko lang, when it comes to politics kasi, bakit I don't do posting on social media that sometimes nag-share na ako or randomly nag-share opinion na ako sa kaya pero sabay, hindi yung part ko mga nag-share na parang na pinakang friend na akong family galing na tatawagin kung may close ko lang na mother. Pero I'm not into posting on social media.
So, matatawag kayo natin na kapolitikan? Or yes? Mr. Cordelia? Ulit, next. Question, Mr. Ever. May question ka? You want to express your political beliefs? Okay.
The self-expression is how we share our political concerns into our friends or family, just like in also political blood control, blood control. So, i-share natin ito kay concern kita kay ito na mga bata natin tingnan araw. Na siyempre, wala mangyayari na yun, kundi i-improve sa lang iba. So, i-share natin ito. Dapat meron na naranasan natin. Ibis na para maka-improve, hindi ka self-expression.
Okay. Palakpakan natin si So, very good kay importante talaga we should be aware of our political standings. Especially as a country, na mga corrupt. So, may question ni Mr. Kurt Delos. I just want to quote him. How does activism differ with self-expression? Because it's more important to understand. Self-expressing through social media or any platforms is part of activism. So, paano activism and self-expression? Activism and self-expression? Another question? Yeah. Although slightly different there, and different guys, it activism was compared to self-expression. And activism is, well, you're fighting for your right or you're fighting for something. So, oh, yeah. Okay, self-expression, like, mga opinions pa. Hindi na express mo na. Mr. Cordelia, do you raise your right hand? Okay?
Feel free to widen your answer. So, pagka-understand, activism is different from self-expression. So, I think self-expression is how you express in general. Mas ano man ito, mas pro or against naman itong government or itong mga leader. While in activism, you are against in an existing law or you are against an existing issue of society and you are against it. Compared to self-expression, pwede ka maging pro, pwede ka maging bias or ano. Is self-expression the rights and
Okay, thank you, Mr. Cordelia. It was very insightful. So let's move on to our next one. So, who will be reporting this?
Alright, so sunod na lang ito activity. Tinatawag niya nga the Little League Challenge. So, meron na guys, so two representatives from each group will form in pairs standing back to back. So, kada grupo, magkakamilan duha nga representative by group. So, further will explain the category at the promote political engagement and self-empowerment. Na-explain further na after the class, player will turn and shout answer at the same time. Again, immediately you answer. So, example,
Pag ang natin pag pareho, may nakamo 5 points. Kung dire, wala.
Hey, who's the representative group? Everyone.
Ganito sir.
Good match. Many people are active community and influence shape society. Yes, many people are active to improve the community and influence shape society. In 3, 2, 1. For maintaining psychological well-being and social harmony. Regularly, becomes early development, create internal tension and social division. As individuals may struggle to reconcile their feelings with conflicting personal or communal values. So, witnessing policy balance, so we need to say example na scenario election na yung barangay. Pumulira nga, nangangaw na yung Lisa. So, ano sa sino na namin? Ralph, and yung mama, nga niya sister. Nangangaw nila during the year. So, ang yung mama is, may nagusto nga, may nagusto niya politiko. So, ano yung mama is, mag-iba yung gusto. Ano sa iba niya gusto niya sister. So, nag-argue nila, di na po kami nagkakaintindi. So, bago na balance, ano sa akin ko, ano sa akin ko. In sister, for example, if sister is adahin ko, yung mga nagagawa ko. So, nagkukulong nila. So, gusto lang niya nga, mag-aada yung balance nila, pag-istorya, na direct yung relationship kayo ng pamilya. So, so, example na lang, anak of parents, is the nearest to is So that's it. So
bilang introvert na tao. Academic situation when balancing political needs and other aspects of this life. During the pandemic, it was very also had tension between the Lenny supporters and the supporters. To the point that nakakalimutan na nila ang balance ng spiritual self and other aspects of the self. Like, nagiging personal na, nagiging nagkaraan ng situations. Imbis na magka-glowing argument, why Lenny and why Lenny, nakakamo, Lenny Lugaw, BBM, Kurap, anyways, nagiging personal situation, imbis na mag-argue, imbis na i-balance na, mag-neutral kita, and we should choose a leader that is a visionary thinker for future identity in life. Sige na, balik na.
Even natin kasi in any way politics. But nawawala na yung relationship with our friends and also our families. Also, para sa pag-ilang ng media is nawawala na yung national I think nakikita ko ano kita na tao. Like, for example, kung mayroon ka kaya hindi mo views ay gusto ng political side. Like, parang mo, medyo magkakawin na muna, and it's okay, it's normal, pero magiging friend talaga ka mo, pero ito na idea na may kapag in terms of values, like, for example, pro-sila pa rin na politician, tapos pro-win natin sila, kalakatong natin. I think, normalize natin na pagkat may talagang differences. Pero, at the end of the day, maging sa akin and I think, wala kita yung papaligan na side din politics. Dapat pro-Philippines din talaga. Philippines dapat itatong magiging itatong priority diri bisan kino na politician. And dapat may nakita din susunod na guidelines pagpilin mo kaya ikaw na pero personal na may na criminal record, may na credentials, mga fact checks, dapat din susunod natin ito. Like, for example, past lahat and recent ng election, nag-discuss kami ng family, big conversation na kung pinapayaan mo na kung hinapokay na kuwan na politiko na ipuno nakuha na meron na pwede kung yun na nila puputusan kay pero pinananayakan na inihiyak tapos kung yan nila pagpupunin mga opiso alam kong ipasiyan is kami fact check ako na may mga records tapos okay nila plataforma bills na sabi nila for example hindi na akong benefit yan free tuition in college, tertiary, quality education na isabi, di ba? Ang binyak na mama, iniba na sabi nila ang nila yan free tuition. So, kung saan na yun ang pinaka-maupay na qualification, di ba? So, sabi ko, nila Kaya educational background, din kuha natin, kita natin naging abogado so ito. And may specialty, agriculture, education, diba? So dito, so makikita natin ako sa mga politiko through background checks. So, ang mayroon.
So now, for
Maraming salamat po, Alin.
So, this will be the subtopic. This is your show. Yes. How? Your time. Yes.
Wala ka!
This is your show. Your time.
Wala ka!
Navigating political this concept is one about like living on the same roof with different beliefs. And that's what navigating political differences in relationships mean. Like it's in a nutshell. So although kami ang sabay different sa aming political beliefs, then instead of fighting, we would try to understand each other better. Instead of arguing, constantly arguing, like in that aspect, marugal in a relationship. So, in navigating the political relationships is very important. We tend to have a lot of misunderstandings, but less understanding. We end up like arguing, thus losing those we love.
Hello.
It is very important to understand one another. Based on so this is just for us to live the same, I guess you could say, the same roof or the same world without fighting. We should embrace one another sa pamilya to have although, important na kami na political stand or anything, important din kami friendship, family bonding. So, understanding the political beliefs of others, tapos, their ideologies, we should manage different political beliefs. So, insurance, so there is a proper way for other insurance. So instead of giving up although we are different in terms of beliefs, ideologies, and stand, we should still care for what they believe and what they want to go right. That's our political,
political play showdown. So each group will perform 2 to 3 minutes role play in a self-expression and political song. So that will only in 10 minutes to prepare.
10 minutes, 7 minutes ka lang tapos
10 minutes. 10 minutes para
okay. Are we guys? Okay. Pero what you gusto? We have the liberty or the freedom to choose 5 minutes? 5 minutes? Do we agree?
self-expression politics.
Kapag
encroachment. So, since we have divided the group into two, the group in this side will stay at the back. And group this corner will stay here or like to conceptualize, like to prepare back. So, let's go aside. You may begin your preparation.
Self-expression, ano?
Apo. Apo. You only have 2 minutes left before you present. 2 minutes left at everyone. 2 minutes Again, we remind you
So the first presenter will be
That was it. I was expecting something big, so determine everyone. Our example scenario is way back when General Luna and President Emilio Aguinaldo, together with the cabinets, conducted a meeting wherein envelope meeting is an era. No. Ang pinaka
kaya na lang yung pagkamita. Ang pinaka-topic yung Mr. President wants umabili ka ang mga cabinets ngayon. Ang cabinets gusto communicate kita mas because kaya iniisip sa mga bagay mga benefit na ira yun tapos ang mga kung ano pa ang mga makakapa-improve na yung negosyo since ang mga involvement ng gagawin natin sa mga matawag din ng mga church. Tapos, si General Lumaliwat is napunta niya kay gusto niya kapunako ng kanila kesa ang dapat ang once ang mga so may iba na is nakikita na natin kung ang pagkakaiba ng social expression yun. Kay General Luna, gusto niya kalawanan niya yung Americans. They are a threat to our liberty na control Pilipinas. Tapos, ang mga kagalis yun is nagtagalan nila social expression na yun. Kung ang explanation kaya ang magiging nila makalabakan ng Americans. For example, yun, because when you have benefits, matatanggap kayo ng negosyo. That's what it is. So, in this scenario, it is very clear. It's clearly stated na may daging one social expression. So, thank you. Thank you.
Sige, you may begin, group 2.
Bago yung mayor, para sa mga nakala ko sa inyo, ako po ang tatakbo ayaw nga yun, tinatayo pa rin ito. Explain mo.
Ayan. Explain, everyone. Explain.
Sige, explain na. Amo na to. Okay, sige. Explain.
My explanation about our kailangan role is ang kakampi, ang gusto nga kandidato is ang kakampi niya. Well, some of us really agree because may past na yan diri niya natutuman ang mga karuleran, mga bulutyo dito sa gusto or so may ilang which is agree na aday raya side ang itiba is
Set. Okay. Before we end, thank you for actively participating. And what? Like volunteering to ask questions, to answer. So we deeply appreciate your cooperation. And for the winner, the group has decided that
since both groups were very excellent and did the understanding or did understood the topic really well, we have decided that both the groups would have 20 points.